Now that you're with Viva, you're paired with Heaven now, di ba?
Yeah.
Heaven Peralejo. How is it working with Heaven? Pareho ko yung single ni Heaven. So, wala bang spark or anything?
Kaka-single lang nun, ha? Actually, na-inspire ako ni Heaven.
Kasi minsan, Joseph, ang dami ngayong mga bago. Ako to, I'm speaking, ha? May madaming mga bago ngayon. Kunyari, yung Meanwhile naman, gusto silang tulungan dahil ka-eksena mo, pero sin-shut down nila agad, di ba?
You know, I would say, shout out to Jay Cuenca. He is the one.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ang taas, di ba? Kasi yung guest natin ngayon, sobrang kaibigan ko to. Alam mo, naka-work ko siya sa Wildflower. Siya si Diego Don, but I'm so happy dahil talagang ang dami niyang projects ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, Joseph Marco. How are you, bro?
Okay. Finally, natuloy din tayo, Ix.
Oo.
Thank you so much for having me.
Ang tagal na natin magkaibigan, no?
Tagal
There
na,
was a
since
time pa.
2017.
Oo, di ba? There was a time pa, nag-usap tayo because may gusto kang planong gawin, di ba? Nagkita tayo sa Makati. That's why we never lost touch talaga. So it's good to see you, Joseph. You're now with Viva.
Finally with Viva, and I'm very happy with them.
Ang dami mong projects.
Well, future projects, and I can't wait. Sabi ko nga kay Boss Vic na I'm very thankful. Kasi bago pa lang, ramdam ko na yung pag-alaga nila sa akin. And I feel so special.
Yung sa yung concert nyo, ang ganda ng mo, shocks, ikaw talaga yung wow! Grabe talaga pinagandaan. Kasi si Andre nandun, so sabi niya, si Kuya Joseph. Sabi ko, he's my friend. Tapos pinakita niya sa akin yung number mo, pasabog. Pag ikaw talaga gumagawa, Joseph, na pasabog.
Wow, actually hindi ko na-expect yun. Kasi ang tagal ko na parang almost 1 year and 4 months ako nagpahinga talaga sa showbiz. Kasi there was a time na parang
burnout?
Gusto ko na mag-quit. It's more than burnout eh. Parang I feel like nandun na ako sa level na parang gusto ko nang pumasok sa ibang mundo. But then again, nag-guesting ako sa Batang Quiapo for 2 days lang.
Yes. Na-miss mo ulit.
Napaka-bigat ng mga eksena, pero parang alam mo yung pakiramdam na parang andali sa'yo. And doon ko naramdaman na I think I'm born to do this. And then bumalik yung
passion
ko sa acting.
Kasi I've worked with you, Joseph, eh. When you get into role, you really work hard for it.
It's crazy. Actually, sinasabihan nga ako ng mga co-actors ko, Seth, dahan-dahan lang, easy ka lang. And sometimes it takes a toll on me. Hindi ko kayang i-half-bake eh. Parang talagang, kunyari, heartbreak yung scene. Talagang nababasag yung puso ko. So, yun yung kailangan kong matutunan na how to
release.
Paano siya gawing mas tama? Kasi hindi siya talaga okay. Parang maganda panuurin. Kasi, di ba,
yes, kasi intense.
Pero I feel like it's unhealthy at times.
So now, you're getting there na talagang, pagkatrabaho and then after, snap out of it.
Yeah. I'm actually learning. And at the same time, kasi this past, like last year lang, nahiling ako naman magbasa ng mga acting books. So, natapos ko yung An Actor Prepares by Stanislavski and even the Sanford Meisner. And iba pala talaga kapag nag-aaral ka. Let's say 50% of being an actor, madali. Diba? Marami kang natutunan. Pero yung, let's say, 70 to 80%, yung maliliit lang na bagay, ang lalim pala nung nadadagdag sa craft mo.
And it's very seldom, Joseph, for some actors na talagang who takes their work seriously. Lalo na yung mga baguhan na yun, Joseph. Alam mo naman, ako kasi ang dami kong na-encounter na yung pagbago sila and then sumikat sila, one project na big thing. Parang feeling nila, na sila, no? Yung parang hindi na mag-aaral, umarte, di ba?
Well, I guess kasi yung kasikatan, it plays a big role. Na parang pakiramdam nila, eto na yun. But a real one would know. Pag pinanood ka ng talagang marunong, alam nila na parang, nandadaya to.
Totoo.
I hope, dumating sila sa panahon na yun na ma-realize nila na, a craft craft, dapat talagang siniseryoso and inaaral to. It's like painting, you know, having a canvas.
Yes.
Magsa-start siya sa canvas, kailangan mo ng paint, kailangan mo ng oil, kailangan mo ng, you know, iba-ibang klase. So, up until mabuo mo siya. It's a journey talaga. And I'm really thankful and happy na meron akong mga nakatrabaho na talagang nag-inspire sa akin and nag-push sa akin to reach this level.
Now that you're with Viva, you're paired with Heaven now, di ba?
Yeah.
Heaven Peralejo. And then this movie is entitled...
It's actually a series, Wattpad series.
Okay.
I Love You Since 1892.
How is it working with Heaven?
She's amazing. Mararamdaman mo na talagang binibigay niya yung best niya. And whenever I give, you know, like tips, talagang ina-absorb niya. She's willing to learn. And nakakatuwa. Ang sarap katrabaho kasi ramdam mo yung suporta niya sa bawat eksena. Like, minsan, hindi naman siya kailangan doon, pero tumatakbo pa, tumatayo.
For support.
Yeah, kasi alam niyang may shot ako. And I appreciate, you know, actors like that. Kasi ako ganun din ako.
Yung generous, di ba?
You have to.
Kasi
you
minsan,
have to.
Joseph, ang dami ngayon mga bago. Ako to, I'm speaking ha. May madami mga bago ngayon na parang know-it-all, na parang kunyari, you mean well naman, na gusto silang tulungan dahil ka-eksena mo, pero sinashut down nila agad, di ba?
You know what? Ako, what I do, I set the tone. If feeling ko relax yung tao, kakausapin ko siya, sasabihin, isi-share ko in a good way yung mga ginagawa ko. Para siya, maisip niya, uy, parang ito, kilala na to, pero ganun siya mag-process. Ako, parang, I think I have to step up. So, that's my way of, you know, trying to pull them.
And it pays also, Joseph, that you were able to work with some great actors in the industry, di ba? Ang dami mong natutunan, di ba? So ngayon, that you're working with the new ones, you get to share also your piece of pie, di ba, with them.
Definitely. You know, I would say shout out to Jake Cuenca. He is the one who really pushed me when I was doing Pasión de Amor. Siya talaga yung nag-influence sa akin kung paano yung magproseso ng acting, paano umarte ng thinking na every scene, like act as if it's your last
scene
in every scene. So wala kang tinatapon na eksena, kahit wala kang dialogue, kailangan talaga may iniisip ka, lalabas sa mata mo. So it's all about those small details para maging exceptional ka. And Jake has been a really good friend and talagang very generous siya magbigay ng tips. And talagang he looks out for me as a brother.
Sa showbiz, very seldom yun, na makahanap ka ng kaibigan na parang same stature mo din, na who's very generous enough to share with you, no? So si Jake is, consider mo na
very,
up till now.
Very. That's why I also apply it. Like, alam nga natin na hindi naman lahat generous. So, why not be the one? Diba? Why not be a blessing to the new ones? Diba? Kasi hindi mo alam na ikaw pa yung makakatulong sa kanila to reach that level. So, I'm happy to be that person.
In this business, Joseph, isa ka sa mga actors na very deep. In fact, diba, nag-podcast ka, nanonood ako, nag-subscribe ako, na nag-a-advise ka. Kaya lately, sobrang busy mo, kaya hindi ka masyado nakakaano.
Ang hirap, hindi ko kayang pagsabihin. Parang nawawala ako. If I'm doing a role, talagang yun lang talaga. I actually talked to the bosses of Viva. Sabi ko, hindi ko kayang tumanggap ng 2 projects at the same time. Nagawa ko na kasi before and, you know, I feel bad kasi hindi ko mabigay yung 100% best ko. So I'd rather, you know, take it 1 project at a time.
One at a time. Totoo na, tama naman, para talagang you give your 100%, diba?
Unless it's comedy, siguro pwede. Pero kung talagang yung proseso, kasi dito sa 1892, siguro umabot ako ng 50 pages na binubuo ko yung skeleton ni Leandro. So it took me that.
Why is it entitled 1892? Is this a period, Wattpad?
Para siyang time travel.
Tapos, drama to. What can we look forward to kay Joseph Marco? Pag sinabi natin Joseph Marco, wow. May sexy-sexy?
Wala.
Ay, hindi ka mapapakita
Medyo conservative abs. Sa susunod na.
Okay. Kasi nung sa Araneta, grabe, nagpilian yung mga babae talaga. Ginulat mo sila, no?
Sa susunod na yan. So, 1892, medyo siya, light siya. Especially the first 5 episodes. Tapos hanggang sa pabigat na ng pabigat. Actually, yung role ko medyo seryoso. So, wala akong masyadong light scenes. Kaya,
Ano ka ba dito, antagonist?
parang nasa middle eh. Parang gray character. great
Ah,
actor.
wow.
Kasi pag pinanood mo siya, maiintindihan mo siya bakit na nagawa yung mga bagay na nagawa niya. So as a person, ako talagang naiintindihan ko siya. Kung sa akin ginawa, I might do the same thing. You know? So technically, he's not a bad person. Talagang na-trigger
May
lang siya.
pinanggagalingan.
Pinush lang siya.
Mac Alejandra, di ba?
Mac Alejandro. Directed by Mac Alejandro.
Oo,
Napakagaling, ang sarap katrabaho. Grabe siya mag-set ng tone sa taping. Talagang yung passion niya, mahawa ka sa passion niya.
Iba yun no? Kapag yung director mo talaga is... Kasi I've worked with Direct Mac, it's really good.
Tagal na niya. Kailan ba siya nag-start?
Ano siya, matagal na siyang director. And then, award-winning director si Direct Mac. So,
wow. No
talagang,
wonder why.
Yeah, he's very dedicated and talagang magaling na director si Direct Mac.
We're lucky to have him as our captain.
Pareho ko yung single ni Heaven. So, wala bang spark or anything?
Kaka-single lang nun, ha?
Kaya nga.
May 3-month rule. So,
so wag muna. Pero nakikitan ka sa kanya.
Yeah.
Oo,
She actually na-inspire ako ni Heaven. So every time may taping ako, I get, alam mo,
Excited.
kailangan meron kang ganun na isang taong excited ka.
Na maka-work.
Dahil makikita mo siya or makaka-work mo siya. And,
So merong kasi nag-blush ka ng very light eh. Sinabi ko si Heaven. Nakakatawa kasi kilala kita eh. Di ba? So Joseph, now that you're with Viva, after this what do we look forward to?
I cannot reveal yet eh.
So secret
Actually,
talaga.
kaka-pitch lang nila sa akin last Tuesday. And I'm so excited for the project kasi siyempre, chinek ko rin sa Google, sa internet, ang daming fans nung book. And I'm so excited.
Kasi pagka ang Viva talaga gumagawa, million views talagang inaabangan. So ikaw yung next na
I hope I
abangan.
could work with Andre.
Oo nga kasi
sana
ako
makasama
naka-work
siya
na
dun.
kita eh.
Sana makasama siya.
Oo, sana. Joseph, mapunta naman tayo sa sa personal life mo.
Okay.
You said na there was a time that you wanted to quit, di ba? And then, what made you realize that show business is really the one for you talaga?
Yung when I guested for Batang Quiapo, actually, sabi ko kay Coco, I kind of turned down the role. Sabi ko kay Coco, I'm studying something. And so, naintindihan niya, pero wala raw talaga silang makita for the role. So,
Flashback yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, ginawa ko and talagang bumalik yung passion ko. Parang, when you're doing a heavy scene, hindi naman ako talaga umiiyak in real life. Well, unless I'm very compassionate with animals. So yun iniiyak ako. But then again, yun nga, nung nagawa ko yung scene, parang ang sarap mag-release. Nalabas ko lahat, na-express ko lahat ng frustrations ko dun sa eksena. And then, yun nga, kahit gaano kahirap yung eksena, parang pakiramdam ko, madali siya. I think it's because when you love something, madaling gawin. And dun ko na-realize, I'm born to do this. So sabi ko, I don't wanna waste it. At the end of the day, malaki na rin yung naambag ko tsaka na-invest ko sa career ko. And so I thought about Viva. So kinausap ko yung manager ko, si Kylie Clican. Sabi ko, why don't we try Viva? Kasi nung pandemic, they were trying to get me. Parang nagstay lang ako with ABS. Just because, to be honest, I'm very loyal. But at the end of the day, I guess dadating yung time na you will have to move on and move
Yes, you
forward.
have to make a change.
Yeah, sa bagong chapter ng buhay mo. And I'm very lucky na, Viva is still open. And now I'm here.
Tsaka maliit lang ang mundo ng showbiz eh. So dito lang naman tayo, running in circles lang naman tayo. And I guess you still have a good working relationship with ABS.
Yeah. I hope I could work with
Oo,
them.
kasi minsan ang Viva tsaka ABS, nag-aano sila co-prod.
Collab.
So, di ba? Paano naman yung mga fans mong mga babae, yung talagang kinikilig sa'yo na makita yung, ikaw kasi ang isa sa may mga pinakamagandang katawan in show business. Nagte-trending ka many times sa IG mo, wala naman unintentionally, pag may pinopost ka, kinikilig sila. Meron pa ba sila makikita mga ganun from you?
Sa NLEX, maraming billboard.
Pero di ba, one time, nag-post ka ng isang shoot mo, sobrang grabe, nag-trending ka, nag-viral. Di ba?
And I'm very lucky and thankful because may good news sa akin yung manager ko last week. Hanford is renewing. So I'm looking forward to that shoot.
Ikaw ang lucky charm nila kasi nga nag-viral ka doon sa
Wow.
shoot na yun. Di ba? So thanks to Hanford.
Yeah, thanks to Hanford.
Di ba? Joseph, bago tayo mag-game, pwede invite mo sila dyan sa project mo para naman na they'll look forward to it.
Yeah, of course, everyone. I'm inviting you all to please watch I Love You Since 1892. Every Friday po yan may bagong episode only on Viva One.
Joseph, huling hirit, kung meron kang kung yung dream partner mo, dream leading lady mo sa Viva, sino yun? Kasi ang dami mo naka-work na, di ba? Meron ka bang yung feeling mo crush or nagagandaan ka sa taga-Viva, na gusto mo makatrabaho?
You know, to be honest, hindi ako masyado excited dun sa mga nagaganda. It's more of like sa talent eh.
O yung sa talent,
I
sino?
I wanna work with Cesar Montano.
Ah, wow.
Kasi 1892, di ba? Inaral ko yung mga, sabi ko, paano ba sila? Pinanood ko yung Jose Rizal. Like, wow.
Galing, di ba?
Hands down. I was like, ano kayang proseso niya dito? Like, hindi umaarte. Like, wow. Wow, ang napakagaling. So, you know, hopefully I could interview him. I mean, just ask questions. Paano niya ginawa yung Jose Rizal? Paano yung proseso niya?
Saka siya, award-winning actor and director. Yeah, may movie siyang ginawa na sobrang talagang halos hakot awards kasi he's really good talaga. Although hindi ko pa nakaka-work si Cesar, pero I hope I get to work with him then.
Ibang level. Like, wala pa akong nakikitang Filipino na ganun umarte.
Ganun ka-dedicated, no?
Wala pa.
Oo, totoo. I agree. Joseph, ready ka na ba sa game natin?
Let's
alam
go.
ko,
What's this?
hindi ko alam, kasi bawal ka na uminom. Healthy living ka.
No, I'm still game.
No!
If you guys want, let's do it.
Merong consequence na gagawin. Kasi
Okay.
meron kami whisper challenge. Yan, so lagay mo na siya.
Paano
First
ba?
word, may consequence Joseph Sinigang. Sinigang.
Sinigang?
Ay, galing mo, narinig yata siya.
Tama.
Yes, tama.
Sinigang?
Sinigang.
Okay.
Okay, eto, mahirapan ka dito. Second word, chubibo.
Chubibo?
What?
Tama.
Oh my God!
Tama.
Oo! Ano ba? May music ba to?
Meron.
Ang galing niya. Okay. Third word, santo. Santo. Oh my God! Nakakaloka ka!
Santo or Santo?
Santo.
Santo.
Okay.
Wait.
Fifth word. Oh. Darna.
Darla?
Isa pa. Darna.
Again?
Darna.
Starla?
Consequence ka na ngayon.
Ano yun?
Darna.
Darna.
Close enough na yung una si Darla. May consequence ka.
Kasi
Mag-push
sabi ko,
up
ang
ka.
layo.
Starla. Show ni Judy Ann yun.
Darla.
Starla.
ang
Ang
layo.
consequence mo, mag-push up ka. Pakita mo
Ilan
yung
to?
mamaya. Pasayahin mo naman sila. Pakita mo na yung Happy Abs Day.
Wala siyang call today. Ilan ba to?
1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my God. Okay na. My God, kaya niya ito 1,000. My gosh.
800 lang.
800?
Hindi, wala.
Oh my God. Last word. Mahirapan ka dito.
Wait.
Alikabok. Bakit mo naisip kong bastos?
Ano? Isa ba?
Alikabok.
Ang laki mo?
Ano yung nagsasabi mo?
Ano?
Alikabok.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano yan?
Alikabok?
Alikabok.
Ano yung ang laki mo? Ano mo naisip mo doon sa ang laki mo?
Matangkad.
So, gusto mo ba yung consequence mo is,
Ano?
push up or magsasagot ka na lang ng hard question?
Sagot na lang.
Sasagot ka? Okay. Sino sa mga ex mo pinakamahal mo? Joke lang. Sino sa mga artista ayaw mo na makatrabaho?
Oof.
Sabi ko sa'yo, dapat nag-consequence ka na lang eh. Wala. Kasi you're good with everyone, no?
Yeah, parang
Oo,
okay naman.
parang
lahat.
wala, no?
Okay naman. Yeah.
Wala, di ba?
Okay naman.
Lahat okay ka, di ba?
Thankfully, okay naman yung relationship ko sa lahat.
Oo. Ako din wala akong maisip na hindi niya gusto.
Tsaka at the end of the day, if you're a professional, kahit na hindi mo pa gusto yung tao, like kung bagay siya sa role, diba?
Oo. So wala ka pang mga artistang tinanggihan mong makatrabaho?
Not naman tinanggihan, but siguro for suggesting a better,
Oo, na for the role
kasi,
fit.
Yeah, lalo na kung may current love team ka or tingin mong mas nakikita mo for the role. And they're very open naman when it comes to that.
Oo.
Pero pag sinabi lang hindi, di ba parang
Okay lang. At least you tried.
It's a healthy, di ba, ano naman.
Pero dahil kasi sinagot mo pa rin siya, meron ka rin consequence. Mag-aano ka ng lemon. So, ang ano dyan, consequence ng Joseph.
Kapal na to,
Oo, makapal. Kasi alam ko diet ka eh. Healthy living ka. So gusto ko, pag kagat mo ng lemon, bigay mo sa amin yung pinakagwapo mong killer look mo.
Wow.
Oo.
I will try my
Oo.
very best.
Yes. Ang hirap talaga pagka healthy living, no? Yung pinaka-killer look mo, yung maraming namamatay na babae. Yan na! Ladies and gentlemen!
Para akong si Zoolander dun.
Nahula.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, D. Joseph Marco! Woohoo!
Thank you so much, guys. Ike's, thank you so much for having me
Thank
here.
you.
I had fun.
Alam mo
Sana
naman
maulit
na
to.
inside and outside of showbiz, isa ka sa mga kaibigan ko. And
course.
whenever you need me, I'm just here for you. At kung sakali man, you would still want to go through that path nung pinag-usapan natin, I'm just a call away.
Para malabo na.
Malabo na? O hindi na? Never close your doors.
I've realized that parang ang secret to life is contentment. And then the more content I am, the more parang mas peaceful and mas clear yung mental health ko.
Importante yun ngayon.
Yeah, super.
It's treasure for us, no? Lalong-lalo na tayong mga artista, yung peace of mind at yung contentment.
There's a saying na talagang tumatak sa akin, sabi, just because something is hard to obtain doesn't mean it's valuable. Look at the watch he's wearing, look at the car he's with, look at the girl he's with. Parang lahat iniisip natin, wow, mahirap kunin yun, so valuable to, mahalaga to. But really, hindi natin na-realize what's really meaningful and valuable are family, friends,
Totoo.
mental health. Yeah, it's really the one that connects you spiritually, lovingly.
Correct.
And yeah.
Lalo
diba?
na now that time is fleeting, di ba? So you really have to value the people around you, the little things, di ba?
Yeah. Dun ka kasi mag-grounded talaga, di ba? Like, let's say, sinasabi nila na dapat maging business-minded ka. Sure, business-minded, you invest in the future. But do you ever consider being soul-minded? Like, I think you should invest in your soul.
Correct.
Diba? Parang kung matalino ka, and you plan for long-term, you should take care of your soul. So, at the end of the day, doon naman tayo lahat papunta. Diba?
Huling hirit, Joseph, before I let you go,
What's up?
nag-podcast ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Dun sa mga pinag-advise mo doon sa podcast mo, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo talagang gusto mong i-share sa kanila?
Oh, ang dami.
Yung pinaka talaga feeling mo na talagang, ako to, that best describes you. Napanood ko talaga, ang dami mong advice doon talaga.
Marami.
Ano yung
Okay.
pinaka-favorite mo na that would best describe you?
Siguro I would say, whatever you're not changing, you're choosing. Di ba? Kunyari, hindi mo gusto yung buhay mo. Anong ginagawa mo? Hindi mo binabago yung katamaran mo. Hindi ka gumagawa ng paraan para mabago yung buhay mo. So I really think that's it. Because ang na-realize ko, the moment you realize that no one will save you, will in fact save you. Kasi hindi iniisip natin, like, hindi ko na mababago yung buhay ko. Sana may dumating na someone or walang magsisave sa'yo. Hindi yung kapatid mo, hindi yung kaibigan mo,
Correct,
hindi
it's
yung mga magulang mo. It's really you. Ikaw ang magsusulat ng story ng buhay mo.
Di ba they say pa nga what you allow will continue.
Exactly,
Diba?
exactly. Yeah. Tsaka kahit na anong lagay mo sa buhay mo, mababago mo yan. It's not about what it is. It's about what it can become. So, yeah, kailangan ikaw talaga dapat. Kailangan mo mag-sing, mag-decide, enough is enough. I'm gonna do this.
And that's what you did with your career. You're back. Welcome back.
With everything, not just with career, but also with, my mental peace, with my discipline, with my relationship with myself. Yung mga inner demons natin. Parang ngayon, mas controlled ko na yung sarili ko. Parang nawala yung distractions ko. Parang I'm very present.
So we're seeing the better version, the 2.0 of Joseph Marco.
Yeah, 2.0.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen. Ang aking kaibigan, Joseph Marco.